Hi, my name is Jefferson DeMayo, and today I'll be talking to you about my anticipated future career as an environmental impact assessment practitioner. So just as a general beginning, since human civilization there has been a concern for environmental issues. These concerns have been addressed by designing some sort of impact assessment procedure plan. For example, in Greece, the rocky Acropolis, where the Pantheon was built, there were holes excavated on the rocky terrain, and trees were planted in those holes. It just showed that the Greeks were environmentally concerned about their projects that they were building. So the same goes for today, even in the 21st century, when there are shopping centres, airports, motorways built. There's always a public concern about the environment. So basically the job of an EIA practitioner is to assess the adverse impacts of the environment when a project is built, and to report the findings to the government and the public. So basically EIA has become an important part of the environmental planning and policy part. What I'd like to show you is basically a method that most EIAs go through. This is a methodical step. The first step is scoping. It's an important first step. It identifies key impacts. The second step is baseline studies. They collect important information such as socio-economic and environmental systems. Description and evaluation of baseline studies, basically just reporting the information from the two steps up above. The next one is impact predictions, future predictions about project impacts on environment and etc. The next step is mitigation and monitoring proposals in the EIS. Basically, it's just to mitigate is to avoid, minimize and compensate for the predicted impacts. The next step is the presentation findings of proposals in the EIS. This is where all the information above is presented in a non-technical form, so non-experts like the public can understand. And the last step is monitoring. It's a continuous assessment beginning, throughout and during the end of the project. So EIA is becoming more important. It's becoming more important due to the population increase. So there's need to support greater population, and that's what EIA practitioners do. Whenever we build shopping centres, motorways, they assess if we can live with the consequences. So that was briefly a presentation about an EIA practitioner. I hope you gained a glimpse into it briefly and enjoyed it. So thank you very much.